Hi guys, it's Joey here. Today I'm going to be doing part 2 of the goddess tutorials. I'm going to be going over the 4-petal goddess machine today. If you haven't already done the prerequisite, which is the 2-petal goddess machine, please go check out that tutorial before starting this one. It'll make your life a lot easier. But if you're confident and smooth with your 2-petal goddess machine, you're ready to hop into the 4-petal. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start in the same starting position. My left hoop is centering my body. The right hoop in the right hand is off to the right side. So the first part is going to be the same. The left hand will isolate over to the left. The right hand will swing over to the center. Now, our right hand is going to push to the top of the center hoop. So when we're in the top quadrant of our grid right now, our left hand is going to let go and isolate till your hands are meeting side by side. Thumbs are facing out to the left and one's on top of each other. So just to show you those first 2 parts again, left isolates to the left, right swings under, right pushes up, left isolates to meet right here. The next step is simple. We're just going to slide down so that our right hoop is now framing our body and our left hoop is out to the left side. So the next point is going to be getting it back to the center again, which will feel familiar to you. The right hand is going to isolate over to the right side while the left hand rainbows over. So now we're in this familiar center position. Our left hand is in front. The right hand is behind. They're just about that far spread apart. So the next part is that the right hoop is going to push to the center of the grid while your left hand moves down. And then the left hand will let go, let it isolate, roll over the top of the hand until you meet where your right hoop is centered, your left hoop is in the bottom quadrant of the grid, and thumbs are pointing out to the left. Now the final step is just pushing both hoops back over to our starting position on the right side. So I'll break it down a little bit slower. I know that that's kind of a lot to digest. We'll go through it many times. You can watch this video as many times as you need to. I'll go by step again for you. Left hand isolates to the left. Right hand swings under and to the left. Right hand pushes up. Left hand isolates to meet in the center. Slide down to the left. Right hand isolates to the right. Left hand rainbows to the right. Right hand goes to the center. Left hand lets it roll over the top of the hand to meet side by side here, and then we push over to the right. And eventually these movements, even though they seem like separate individual movements, the idea is to get them to kind of glide and roll together very smoothly. So when it's happening, these movements happen simultaneously, it looks like this. That's our first one. Okay, so how does that feel? I know that's a complicated movement. It's going to take some time to learn, but don't give up. If there's any questions you have about this, shoot me a message or comment, and I'll see if I can troubleshoot any problems you're running into. Remember, when you're practicing and following videos and learning, this is the right side and this is the left side. So when the instructor, even though we're on this side of the screen, You start on the right and this is the left, and I think that that'll help ease a little bit of confusion. I know I had to figure that one out for myself when I learned this movement. So yeah, good luck and happy hooping. Peace.